What's up? Welcome to the Dr. Wrench YouTube channel. I'm Tom. So today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 991.2 Porsche, and this one happens to be a GT3 RS, but they're all pretty similar. So we're going to show you the way to do it, the easiest way to do it I should say, all the tools you need, what supplies you'll need, and let's get into it. Okay, so here are the tools you're going to need to get this oil change done. So we got a T30 for the under panel, and we got a 10mm also for the under panel, but I believe those are the wrong bolts that were just in this particular car. We got a 8mm Allen and we got a 10mm Allen. We got a filter wrench, and we got some gloves, some brake clean, some towels. And the oil we're using is 550 liquid moly, which started with 6 liters, and then we worked our way up from there. But on this car we took off the oil tank that's next to the oil pan because we had some leaks in the oil rings, so we had to do a little bit extra oil. So here we go, we're under the car. We got it safely on the lift. I've already removed the belly pan, which is right here, and that was, I think it was 11 T30 Torx. Now we have 3 drain plugs. This is one drain plug, and this one was a 8mm Allen. And this one is the second one right here, which was a 10mm Allen. And the third one here is an 8mm Allen. So what I did was I put our oil tank right there under this, drained this one first with the 8mm Allen, and when that was done I drained this one with the 10mm Allen, and I let them go until they basically stopped. So this one I did take out with the 8mm L Allen because the socket wouldn't fit in there, and there really wasn't much to drain out of there, so I wouldn't even take that one off again if I did it again. So these, I did replace all the crush washers on these 3, and then you come over here and you see the oil filter. So I use that oil filter wrench and just twisted it off, but you can really just do it with your hand. Put it back on with your hand. You don't have to get it insanely tight. So you do want it very snug, but you don't want it twisted off in there. First we look at your gauge cluster here. Alright. Scroll to oil measurement. And since it's not warmed up yet, we gotta wait till it warms up. But once it warms up, it'll measure and you'll be able to see how much you need to add. Okay, so we've been letting this car sit here and idle for a while, warm up, so we can do an oil measurement. So let's go check and see if it's done. Seconds we'll know. So depending on the results of that, you know, you just add more oil. Okay, that's it for the oil change and PDK change on this GT3 RS. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Appreciate it if you guys like, follow. There'll be more content coming. Specifically more BMW stuff, so enjoy.